In, the, in this video, we will discuss regarding public nuisance and private nuisance. Public nuisance is an act or omission which causes any common injury or annoyance to the public or to the people in general who dwell or occupy property in vicinity or which must necessarily cause injury, obstruction, danger to persons who may have occasion to use any public right, thus keeping common game house or disorderly in obstruction of a highway or making it dangerous for traffic would come within the category of public nuisance. Public nuisance consists not only those acts which interferes with definite public rights but also of nuisance which endangers the health, safety, or comfort of the public generally, such as noise or the escape of toxic gases, vapors, fumes affecting the health or of a neighbor, or to do some unlawful business to take someone to a place affected with infectious diseases to sell edibles unfit for human consumption to cause hindrances on public path, ill maintenance house on public highway to manufacture inflammable crackers on the roadside are the clear instances of public nuisance, and a private nuisance is some unauthorized use of a man's own property causing damage to the property of another, or some unauthorized interference with the property of another causing damage but not amounting trespass. Private nuisance includes obstruction to light and air, wrongful escape of foul gas or noise, water, germs, etc. These are actionable nuisance. The essence of the thought of private nuisance is that it is an unlawful interference or annoyance which causes damage to an occupier or owner of land in respect of his enjoyment of the land. Thus, the elements of private nuisance are unreasonable or unlawful interference. Such interference is with the use or enjoyment of land or some right over or in connection with land and damage.